Hi, I'm Dr. Henderson. I'm here to talk to you about your health tip of the week. We're going to talk a little about sleep apnea. So if you wake up with morning headaches commonly, if you snore at night and your special someone is telling you it's getting pretty loud and starting to bother them, or if you just feel fatigued all the time, these are very common symptoms of sleep apnea. It can lead to a lot of long-term health issues, increased risk of diabetes and weight gain and all these other just nasty things we don't want. So if you have any of those symptoms and you're concerned you might have sleep apnea, come in and see me and we can talk more about this and take care of you.